Welcome to our in-depth review of Exness, one of the world's largest retail CFD brokers. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. With over 80 Forex brokers tested this year alone, we truly know what defines a top-notch broker. We spent hours testing Exness to answer all the key questions. Is Exness safe to trade with? Are the trading fees and spreads competitive? How diverse is their selection of tradable instruments? We'll also take you on a tour of the broker's trading platforms. And finally, we'll give you our honest opinion on trading with Exness and who this broker is best suited for. Stay tuned for the full scoop, as Exness might just be the broker that takes your trading to the next level. Established in 2008, Cyprus-based broker Exness has become a leading player in the industry with a large global presence. Its 8 regulated global entities offer over 227 markets to trade on, with a choice of platforms MT4, MT5, and Exness's own platform. There also are a good range of account types and top-notch research tools from Trading Central. But how does it really stack up? Let's take a closer look. A quick note, if you're interested in checking out Exness for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. The most important question is, can you trust Exness with your money? Let's break it down. Exness has entities around the world licensed by multiple global regulators, including the UK FCA, Cyprus's CISEC, Kenya's CMA, FSCA in South Africa, FSC in the British Virgin Islands, CBCS, and the FSA of Seychelles. But what does this mean for you? Firstly, each of its global entities keeps your funds separate from their own. This means your money is always available for trading and never mixed with the company's funds. Secondly, every entity offers negative balance protection. This mechanism ensures that your account won't drop below zero if the market moves against you. Lastly, each Exness entity is part of a compensation scheme, protecting your funds up to a certain amount if the broker goes bankrupt. Additionally, 16 years of experience in the industry define Exness as a stable broker. However, it's important to note that Exness does not accept retail clients in Europe or the UK. Retail customers are assigned to offshore entities which offer limited account protection. Such entities are regulated by less stringent authorities compared to the EU or UK regulators, which means they may not provide the same level of security and investor protection. This includes potentially lower coverage under compensation schemes and less rigorous oversight, which might expose retail clients to higher risks. For these reasons, we consider Exness moderately trustworthy and stable, giving it a trust score of 4.3 out of 5. Next up, let's dive into Exness's fee structure. Are spreads and commissions competitive? We tested Exness's fees using their standard account from the Seychelles entity. This account features spreads and overnight swap fees, but no commissions. To get a clear picture, we ran our test during the busiest trading times in the London and New York sessions. Here, we found some interesting insights. Exness's trading fees vary wildly. On major currency pairs like euro-dollar, the spreads were low, beating the industry average. But when we looked at cross-currency pairs, stock indices, equities, and cryptos, the story was different. The spreads here were higher than the industry average, sometimes almost double. But let's move on to the positive highlights. We did find the spread for gold to be very competitive, half of the industry average in fact. Plus, there are no inactivity fees to pay, which is a nice bonus. Another great feature is that Exness doesn't charge an overnight swap or rollover fee for most instruments, which can really shave off the costs for longer term traders. However, as spreads for most instruments are high, Exness received a score of 3.8 out of 5 in this category. Let's move on to the trading platforms Exness offers. The right platform can truly transform your trading experience. Exness offers a nice selection of trading platforms and apps for all trading skill levels. First, there's the broker's proprietary Exness terminal platform, available on the web and mobile. It is most suited for casual traders, offering an easy-to-navigate interface, watch lists, charting tools from TradingView, one-click trading, and price alerts. The broker also provides access to the popular MT4 and MT5 platforms on desktop, web, and mobile. These mainly cater to more experienced traders interested in customizable features and algorithmic trading capabilities. In the client portal, you can also access the social trading platform where you can copy trades from others or share your own strategies. Now let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary platform, MT4, and the mobile app. First, let's do a walkthrough of the Exness terminal platform. This is a well-designed, intuitive, web-based platform that offers a range of great features. Let's go through the main components of the platform: watch lists, position tracking, charts, the order ticket, and account statistics. Watch lists allow you to track the live prices of your favorite instruments, and you can browse a range of pre-configured watch lists. A great feature is that Trading Central is built into the platform and shows you the intraday bias for each instrument. Now, let's expand the chart to take a closer look. Charts are powered by TradingView and offer a robust range of technical indicators and drawing tools. Let's add an indicator. Trading from the chart is available, allowing you to get in and out of the market fast. I like the tab format of the chart, which allows you to easily flip between different markets. In the position tracking area, you can view your open position and their real-time P&Ls, along with your pending orders and completed trades. Finally, a real useful feature in the account statistics area is this close all button, which enables you to close out all of your positions at once. Now let's take a look at the popular MetaTrader 4 desktop platform offered by Exness. MT4 is a professional grade platform that offers advanced order types, robust charting, and automated trading. The interface consists of 4 major panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. From the Market Watch panel, you can track the live prices of your favorite instruments. Double-click to pull up the order ticket, and you can drag an instrument over to view its chart. The Navigator panel allows users to toggle between different accounts and access custom indicators and expert advisors for automated trading. Charting within the platform is robust with over 60 indicators and drawing tools to work with. Platform is highly customizable, and I like that you can organize the charts to suit your preferences and view multiple markets at once. One-click trading and trading from the chart are available, making this a suitable platform for day traders and scalpers. Finally, in the terminal panel at the bottom here, you can view your open position and their live P&L, your history of trades, and you can also set price alerts. Now let's take a look at the MT4 app offered by Exness. In the quotes tab here, you can tap on any instrument to pull up the order ticket. From here, you can see that the full range of order types are available: market orders, limit orders, and stop loss orders. Moving over to the charts tab, we have great full-size charts here with a robust range of technical indicators to choose from. Under the trade tab, you can track your account statistics and the live P&L of your open positions. And under the history tab, you can see your history of trades. Finally, in the news tab, you can view the latest stories from FX Street. Our score for Exness's platforms and tools category is an excellent 5 out of 5. And finally, let's explore the range of markets you can trade with Exness. Exness offers a solid selection of over 227 markets, including 96 Forex pairs, which is much higher than the industry average. You also get access to 18 commodities, 10 stock indices, 10 cryptocurrencies, and 93 share CFDs from global exchanges. However, the CFDs on shares are somewhat limited, and the broker could benefit from adding more global exchanges. Overall, we rated the range of tradable instruments at Exness 4.8 out of 5 for this category. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on Exness, but first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our broker analyst crew is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing Forex brokers for 12 years. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex brokers, giving us a deep understanding of the industry to compare and evaluate them effectively. So, is Exness the right broker for you? Let's recap on what they bring to the table. First, the broker is well regulated worldwide and has been in business since 2008. All 8 entities segregate client funds from company funds, offer negative balance protection, and are a part of a compensation scheme, ensuring your funds are safe. Exness provides access to 227 markets covering major asset classes and popular instruments, with a particularly strong selection of 96 Forex pairs. They offer several platforms for all skill levels, the Exness Terminal, MT4 and MT5, along with VPS services and research tools from Trading Central. Lastly, the spreads in major currency pairs and gold are competitive, and there are no overnight rollover fees. However, spreads on cross-currency pairs, cryptos, stock indices, and equities were higher than the industry average. On the downside, although Exness has top-tier regulators, retail clients can only trade with Tier 2 and Tier 3 regulated entities. Exness also does not accept retail clients from Europe or the UK. For most of the markets we tested, the spreads were higher than the industry average, and in some cases, double. So, who is Exness best suited for? Let's break it into categories. Beginners, Exness has some great options for you, such as a demo account, commission-free trading, a user-friendly proprietary trading platform, and social trading tools. Swing traders, lack of the overnight swap fees on most markets allows you to hold positions longer and keep more profits. Algorithmic traders, with access to MT4, MT5, and a VPS service, Exness offers all the right tools for automated trading. Exness is also a top choice for day traders. While standard account spreads may not suit short-term traders, other accounts offer raw spreads and competitive commissions, ensuring the best prices and fast execution. Finally, Exness offers a great selection on Forex pairs, perfect for Forex traders. However, if you're a stock trader or portfolio manager, you might find the range of share CFDs limited, as it mostly includes only big names. Also, if you have a large trading account, the compensation scheme's monetary limit might be too small. In our assessment, we awarded Exness with an overall score of 4.6 out of 5, making its offerings as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about Exness, or suggest future brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.